Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This, if you guys can't tell already, is a Young Living order that I just got in the mail today, and I'm really excited. Are you excited? Yeah. So this is my Essential Rewards order. I make a monthly order through Young Living. I earn points back when I spend money through Essential Rewards, and I get free product when I purchase through Essential Rewards. And when I get money back through Essential Rewards, I can use that on more free product. So it's an incredible program. It's like a subscription box, but it's personalized to yourself. You can customize it every month. Sometimes I change it several times throughout the month, and then it depends on what we need and what we run out of and what we're going to go do. This month, I got some fun things. I got things that we needed. Restocks, if you will, but I did get at least one thing that I've never gotten before. All right, so I'm just gonna dig right in, guys. All right, so I got another lavender chapstick, lavender lip balm. I order one or two of these just about every month.
Well, I definitely have one.
Yeah, Cadence has one. She uses it in her room.
And I like it now that I thought it was spicy.
She thought it was spicy because the cinnamon one is like minty pepperminty, or cinnamon pepperminty. Minty pepperminty, that's the same thing, Danielle. She was like, I don't think I wanna, and it was like, it's lavender. Try it. And she finally did, and it was like, she was like, oh, I love this. And I was like, I know, homegirl.
Well, I thought it was spicy.
Yeah, she thought it was spicy. That's okay. It's okay, but now you know that it's not. I ordered another bottle of lemongrass. This is a restock. I have been making a lot of spray, outdoor spray, and I have a video on that I am going to post very soon if it isn't up already. I will link that video down below. Lemongrass is in it, and it's like a staple item that's in it. So yes, I'm excited about that. Lavender. I think this one was the free oil that I got for the month. Sometimes, honestly, certain months I rush through my orders and I just throw a bunch of stuff in there because I know it's stuff I need, and then I forget about it. And other months I'm like very tediously, like specifically, and then I remember exactly what I'm getting, and some months I don't. So this is kind of that month. I just like threw it all together and I was like, that's great, this will work. Purification is one that I reordered. It was a restock. I always need purification on hand. I love diffusing it in the house. There are a lot of good uses for purification. This is called Sleepy Eyes.
Ooh, I have Sleepy Eyes in my room.
Yeah, this is for you. Yes. This is from the Kid Sense line, and Cadence loves it. Did you see her? She was like, yes. This is from the kids. She loves it. We diffuse it for her at bedtime. It just calms her down. It just it creates just like...
It makes me sleep.
It makes her sleep. It's just like this beautiful smelling blend. Okay, so this is a new one for me. Thieves Mints. You guys, I have been wanting to try these Thieves Mints for a long time. The reason why I wanted these mints, and I was like, I'm finally getting these, is because we are going to New York. We are probably currently there when this video goes live. We're gonna be there for vacation and also mainly for our Hillsong conference that we have every year. Hillsong is our church. Hillsong is a global church, and they put on a conference every year, and they travel throughout different countries and different states here in the US. And New York is one of them this year. So we're going, and I cannot wait. And we're gonna be sitting in an arena next to a whole bunch of people all day long. I'll definitely be brushing my teeth and stuff like before we leave the hotel, but you know how that happens throughout the day and after you eat and stuff, and like I just don't want to be breathing on people like right around me, and we're gonna be singing, and I was like, I want to try these mints. I think this would be a good thing to have with me. Throw it in my purse. It's really small. It has a lot of mints in it. Naturally sugar-free, essential oil infused mints. And it's Thieves. You can't go wrong with Thieves. If you guys are not familiar with Thieves, research Thieves or message me, email me, ask me questions. I'm happy to answer any questions that you guys have. But Thieves, if nothing else, is like liquid gold. Thieves tastes really good. I have Thieves in my coffee sometimes, and I make Thieves tea sometimes. Oh, I love Thieves. Love it. It smells like Christmas. It's so amazing. Speaking of Thieves, cough drops. I'm gonna bring these as well, just because we're gonna be talking a lot and singing a lot, and I just don't know if my throat is going to, after, you know, a couple days and we're screaming and like cheering on, it's like a concert, but not, it's like a whole bunch of worship, and we're gonna have like different sessions of people that are speaking. I wanna make sure that I have some cough drops with me just in case my throat starts to feel sore or raspy or anything. And this is a restock. I've gotten these before and I love them. They're amazing. They work extremely well. They are menthol cough suppressant and oral anesthetic, essential oil infused, triple soothing action, soothe sore throat, soothes sore throats, relieves coughs, cools nasal passages, and it really does exactly all of that. I love these. These sweet and spicy drops taste great and offer effective relief thanks to natural menthol. It's 100% pure therapeutic grade essential oils that are in this, just like all of Young Living oils. Okay, so this is another one that I have not purchased this yet, but I actually have purchased a lot of the smaller bottles. It's Thieves Waterless Hand Purifier. Every month I want to put this in my cart, and then there are other things that I need before I need this, but I need to refill all of my little guys. I have like, let me go get them, let me show you. I have these little guys. These are the exact same thing as this, except you can buy them in a 3-pack. They're 1 fluid ounce, and they're just easy. I throw one in my purse. I normally just keep repurchasing the 3-pack, and then after a while it was like, what am I doing? Like, I'm just gonna buy this, and then I'm gonna refill these. Duh. And then I'm gonna make sure that I pack my little guys, a few of them, because I'm just gonna be like, you just pour a little bit, do as much or as little as you want. You don't want too much, but you know, it's not gonna hurt. And it's kind of this thicker consistency. It smells amazing. It smells like Thieves and peppermint. It smells much better than regular hand sanitizer, in my opinion. And then this, it came with a little pump. So I'm gonna put that in its place, and I'm gonna put it in our half bathroom. My battery on my camera, you guys, I feel like this happens in every video, and it pretty much does. My battery, it dies like really quickly. So I can never get through an entire video without my camera dying. So I have to get a new battery soon. So I'm gonna do the rest of this video on my phone. Cadence is putting on more hand sanitizer.
Because it feels so nice.
That's the beauty about, especially the Thieves products. It's safe for Cadence. I don't get scared when Cadence holds on to these products or puts on a ton of it. Like, this is actually good for her. If you want something with like immune support, like Thieves is the way to go. Anything Thieves, you cannot go wrong. All right, so that's it. Oh my goodness. I actually have a whole bunch of essential rewards points that I have been earning for a couple months now that I have enough to make a pretty decent order. So I'm gonna probably order a couple oils that I'm needing to restock on that will set me up really well for this upcoming fall season. I love Young Living. I love this company. I love these oils. I love all of these products. They really have blessed us a ton. If you guys aren't following me already on all of the social medias, go and do that. I have all of the links below. I'm mainly on Instagram, you guys. I'm not the best at posting, but I really do stories a lot. If you guys want to stay tuned with our New York trip and how I'm using these oils during our trip, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna pack a lot of my oils. I'm gonna diffuse my oils in our hotel room. I'm not gonna go without these oils, I can't. Click that subscribe button, click that notification bell. It notifies you when I upload a video. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome if you're a new subscriber. I'm happy to be here. If you guys have any other questions about Young Living or want to know how to get your hands on these oils, contact me any way that you can. I have a very big passion for these oils. Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for being here. Thanks for watching this. click that thumbs up button. Make sure that you're subscribed. I post a video every Friday. Let us know who you are in the comments below. I want to get to know my subscribers. I want this to be a fun family, friend hangout. All right, well, thank you guys for hanging out. We love you guys, and we will see you guys next week. Bye.